In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete a chat in the ChatGPT Atlas app, all within just a few easy steps. If you've ever found yourself with a cluttered chat screen, not to worry. This tutorial is perfect for helping you maintain a clean conversation history. To begin, open your ChatGPT Atlas app. This is your one-stop solution for streamlined communication. It's similar to opening any other app on your device. A simple tap on the app icon will do the trick and bring you straight into the main interface, where all your recent chats and settings are located. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a sidebar icon there. This is a pivotal part of the process, as it provides quick access to a myriad of features within the app. Tap on the sidebar, and you'll see an array of options unfold before you, giving you a full view of all your chat interactions. Now, take a moment to look over your list of chats. Scroll through until you find the chat that you wish to delete. It's important to ensure you've selected the right conversation, as deleting a chat cannot be undone. Highlighting or selecting the chat will prepare it for the next steps, so proceed only when you're certain. Next, we're going to interact with the three dots icon. This represents additional options for managing your selected chat. You can think of it as your toolbox for chat settings. Tap on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will show various actions you can perform with this conversation, giving you control over how you'd like to manage it. Within this menu, you'll find the option to delete the chat. With just a simple tap on the delete option, you're confirming that this is the chat you want to remove from your history. A quick tap will initiate the deletion, so ensure that this is your desired action, as there may be no going back. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a chat in the ChatGPT Atlas app. By following these steps, you can keep your conversation lists tidy and focused. Managing your chats effectively can help enhance your productivity and keep your communicative space organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for more guidance.